Hi everyone, hopefully you can hear me. Just trying to give you an update. We're over here near Sanibel where Hurricane Ian is making quite the impact. We arrived around 3 a.m. Tuesday morning, a drastic difference from what we are seeing today. It was tough to get, really any sleep last night. Just kind of was watching all the updates, what's happening. The wind was banging against the window, almost kind of sounded like a train. You just kind of, heard it, it was loud. And the rain wasn't too crazy last night, but today, it's really coming down. The water is rushing in. It was white caps yesterday, and today, the water's, it's getting higher. It's starting to reach one of the docks over here. And I know yesterday, if you were watching Tuesday morning, Fox 4 Morning News, we were over at the Sanibel Causeway, and which would be over that way. Obviously, it's dark out right now. I'll try to do another video when it's more light out, but we're not there today, obviously, 100% because of safety reasons. The power has been going in and out here. The area has been evacuated, so not a lot of people around. Like I said, the winds are picking up. I was kind of standing to the side of the building, so it wasn't as bad, but to kind of get an idea here, you can see all of this rain. Again, once it gets light out, I'll show you another video, but again, we're over here near Sanibel. Obviously, there's been a lot of reports. People, have been nervous. They've been writing on social media, Twitter, Facebook, wondering if, everything's just going to be taken under. Lots of water. We will, we'll see what happens. We'll be here and let you know what's going on. Obviously, the area has been evacuated. We saw the letter that came out from the mayor that she left and encourages other people to leave. We're trying to stay as safe as we can. We've got our chargers, solar powered, batteries. So hopefully we can have communication that way. And just to kind of show you what it's like. I'll continue to update you. I hope all of you are staying safe.